Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Amazon Flex account. If your account has been deactivated and you believe it was a mistake or you'd like to appeal the decision, this process will help you reach out to Amazon Flex support directly through email. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there, log into your account. After you've logged in, look to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Compose. Click on it to start drafting a new email. This is where you'll be writing your reactivation request to Amazon Flex Support. In the recipient field, type in the email address amazonflexsupport@amazon.com. This is the official support email for Amazon Flex, and it's the direct line to the team that handles account issues and reactivation requests. Make sure you've entered the address correctly to ensure your email reaches the right department. Next, move to the subject line. Here, type Reactivate Account. Keeping the subject line clear and direct helps Amazon Flex support immediately understand the purpose of your email, which can speed up the review process. A straightforward subject line ensures your request doesn't get lost in their inbox. Now it's time to write the body of your email. Start by typing your Amazon Flex username so they can quickly locate your account in their system. Then explain why you want your account reactivated. Be polite and direct in your explanation. If you believe the deactivation was a mistake, mention that clearly. Keep your message concise but informative, as this increases the chances of a favorable response. If Amazon Flex has requested additional documents or details during the deactivation process, now is the time to attach them. Look for any paperwork, screenshots, or verification materials they might need for review. Click the attachment icon in your email and select the relevant files from your device. Providing all requested information upfront can help expedite the reactivation process. Once you've written your message and attached any necessary documents, review everything one more time to ensure accuracy and professionalism. When you're satisfied, click the Send button. Your email will be delivered to Amazon Flex support, and now you'll need to wait for their response. The turnaround time can vary, so be patient as they review your appeal. If you prefer a more direct approach, you can also call Amazon Flex support and explain your situation over the phone. Sometimes speaking with a representative can provide faster clarity or additional guidance on what steps you need to take next. And that's it. You've submitted your reactivation request to Amazon Flex. By following these steps, you've given yourself the best chance at getting your account reviewed and potentially restored. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.